Lead generation marketers have a unique, industry-wide measurement challenge as conversions happen offline, outside the website. Leads often flow through a sales funnel from online submissions to qualification to a final sale, which could take days or even weeks after the initial ad click. Moreover, every lead captured has a different value, making measurement and optimization critical to unlock a more accurate picture of your advertising outcomes, as well as a complete picture of the path to conversion. To help you overcome these challenges, we are introducing a new method of offline conversion import in Google Ads called Enhanced Conversions for Leads. With this new feature, we have made lead measurement easier. Unlike the standard offering of offline conversion import, this version does not require you to modify your lead forms or customer relationship management or CRM systems to store the Google Click ID or GCLID. Instead, it uses first-party user-provided data from your website leads to measure conversions. Using Enhanced Conversions for Leads has several benefits. It is easy to set up. Configure measurement entirely from your Google Ads account in a few simple steps, using only the information you collect through your lead forms, removing the need to make changes to your CRM systems. It enables better performance. Optimize your campaigns to sales and transactions that happen off your website. It is flexible. Implement using the Google Tag or Google Tag Manager. And finally, it is secure, durable, and privacy safe. Not only is Enhanced Conversions for Leads more resilient to the challenging measurement and privacy ecosystem, it also keeps your first-party customer data confidential and secure, using the same industry-leading standards that Google uses to protect its own users' data. Please note, if you want to use a GCLID for offline conversion import, the existing GCLID-based offline conversion import method is still available. Measure your offline conversions with Enhanced Conversions for Leads today. See how to implement it in our next video.